You'll now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Some skills are essential to learn, but can be quite difficult to acquire. Today, I'm going to tell about the one of the skill that I found very difficult for me. That is cooking, and I learned it, but it was very difficult to me to learn. And when I was living, when I planned to go to abroad for my higher studies, there I have to live to alone and. In abroad there is sometimes the main issue is about the food, the halal and the haram food, and then I decided to cook my food in my home. So I decided to learn the cooking classes, but I found it is I can't found out the time to get the classes. Then I decided to get the classes, take the videos from the YouTubes and one of the most famous channel of the Pakistan is the Masala TV. I started learning from there. Firstly, I started learning the breakfast dishes like omelette and tea, etc. And after that, I started some small dishes like starters and like starters and other things, which is easily to made for my lunch or even for my dinner. Uh, I start learning from a channel that is Misala. There are a lot of chefs who are giving classes on YouTube also, and I find it very convenient for me to get because I find it that it is also not the wastage of time, and I can easily from the 2 to 4 minute videos I can easily understand the whole recipe easily. And after learning and watching the videos, I felt it is very convenient and it will help me in my cooking. So I find it cooking is at the start I find that cooking is very difficult, but after learning it is easy for me.
All right, that's fantastic. You spoke for 1 minute and 52 seconds. Overall, it is good. At certain points, you are mixing the tenses. Like initially said, I learn it. It should have been I learned it or I will learn it, like that. So you said I can't found it. It should have been I can't find it or I couldn't find it. Past tense couldn't find it. Present tense can't find it. Then you said I start learning 4-5 times. Repetition. I start learning on 4-5 occasions. You said that. And then I found that the vocabulary you are using, that was repetitive. You were repeating the same words time and again. So you should come up with a variety of words which are related to cooking and all that. Fluency is fine, but you need to speak loud and clear so that it is understandable for everyone. Looking at your overall performance, I'll give you a 6 band for now.